beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters.
The spoken word sets the world in motion. Your breath created life. Your mighty hand hollowed out the ocean. You spoke and there was life. You said, I will make man in my image to rule over everything. Out of dust you formed him, breathe life through him so we can praise your name.
So loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life.